off to Development Falls, and that is gonna be a longer trip. It's 3.5K trip down to the waterfalls, and we thought we're gonna have a nice picnic down there. And for that reason, we're gonna make a muesli, overnight oat muesli, and we can take with us tomorrow. Alright, we just take some jars, whatever you have handy, put some rolled oats in it, just about that much on each. Then I usually get some chia seeds in it, not that much each. And I have here some dried cranberry I put in. And usually you get some grated apples in it, but we like it to have just finely cut pieces in it. Not that much, huh? Alright. Then we fill some milk in it. So it's nicely covered and a bit more. And then we also get some Greek yogurt. There you go. Now we close it up, and we're gonna put it in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow morning, when I get it out of the fridge, I put some berries on top, and then off we take it with us and have it for a picnic tomorrow. See you tomorrow.